Let's talk about trading, okay? Bitcoin went up 5% yesterday and 5% today. The bulls are back in control. And that means there's a lot of blood in the street for everyone who's shorting Bitcoin, people who we don't like. Remember, we don't like any perma bears out there. There's about $500 million worth of liquidations on FTX yesterday, which was definitely the largest exchange for liquidations yesterday. And there was about $700 million total in total liquidations. That was the highest since July of 2021. And if you remember back then, July 2021, that's when we saw the first crash from the previous all-time high of Bitcoin from April 2021, where we tipped over $60,000. And 2 months later, we dipped almost as low as $27,000 per Bitcoin. So it was a large liquidation event. And yesterday was up there in the books, first time in close to 18 months. The reason for that, well, there's actually a lot of volume in the market still, even though it might be a bear market. There's still a lot of people who are interested in trading. There's more depth than you've seen in previous bear markets. $20,000 Bitcoin doesn't mean that everyone's left. It actually means that there's actually pretty good stability. People are still interested in being part of the ecosystem. If you look at stablecoin numbers, you'll see there's actually about 8 times as much stablecoins within the crypto market as there has been in previous cycles. So that's why there's so many liquidity events like this one happening yesterday. If Bitcoin moves a little bit, well, there's going to be a lot of people who are feeling the pain on either side of the sword. Wendy, I'm going to throw this one up to you. You are a trading expert on the deck. Give me some fact checks if needed, but otherwise I want to hear your take on what's been happening the last 48 hours.
No, it's been super exciting. It's nice to see this type of volatility. And I know it's kind of funny to say that because we're used to the bull market when everything's like pumping like crazy and we actually get like 30% pumps, 20% pumps. But this is exciting for the markets. One of the things I will say is obviously we do see more people that are actively trading in the markets than last bear market. Primarily because of NFTs, and every single cycle we seem to get more and more people that come in. When you were talking about the stable coins, I think that's another interesting thing because to me that's indicating that people are still participating in DeFi and in NFTs. I do know some people that are actively trading NFTs. What they're doing is they're parking some of their Ethereum or whatever chain they're using for their NFT trading so they don't get into that volatility there and they're able to kind of protect their capital. Also too, I'm looking at the Bitcoin chart. I should have sent it to control before, but of course not. Mom duties got in the middle. But it looks like we did finally break out of that really, really long downtrend that we've been in since we hit that $69,000 area back in about November of 2021. But we still do have a bit of a ways to go. I would like to see it close above like 21,000 today, but things are looking good. Things are looking positive. I'm not a perma bear, but I still do think we will see a lot more downside later on, partially due to mining economics and all of that fun stuff. But just my opinion, not financial advice.
Can I jump in really quick?
Please.
Wendy, I got to bring it up. The last call you had was pretty perma bear. Last time we were talking about Bitcoin going down, you said $14,000 or lower, and we never quite got that low. I think we got as low as $17,000.
We're not going to see it right. We're not going to see it right now, though. So don't come at me like my TikTok mentions. No, I do have bids set all the way down to $9,500 to get that scam wick. I'm hoping that happens. However, I do have a bullish scenario as well. A good trader, a good investor doesn't speak in absolutes. So I'm hopefully still waiting for that capitulation. I don't think this was capitulation, but I could be wrong.
Okay. Sometimes I think you're a perma bear, so I don't know. Zach, what's your thought?
I just am thinking about that meme where it's like the stock goes up 1% and the guy's face is like, whoa. I don't know what the name of that meme is, but you know that meme that I'm talking about where it's like the 1%, like, whoa. That's all I'm thinking about right now.
Yes.
I have nothing intelligent to add to this conversation, but it is interesting to see price go up. We've been used to price go down, price go up. Price go up, good. All right, that's all I got. Jen, what do you got?
I mean, I got the same thing. The price is up. This is great. I got nothing else to add to this conversation.